So bougie and she only rock Birkins. 20 bands, I don't even think she working. The pussy wetter than a rollie, baby, work it. She like to see me serve it. Classy, she got like 30 purses. And got her mama name tatted, it's in cursive. But late night at the crib, she be twerking. Them lames in her face, and DM, she be curving. And I be like, slide to the crib, let me beat it up. That's my little freak, let me heat it up. That shit's pretty dope. Good ski.
Oh man.
That with it, man. Let me pop out. That light. Yeah.
Tada behind the cam, man, the goat. You know what I'm saying?
See a friendly firearm?
Come on, man.
Friendly firearm. That ain't
get the drip, man. You know what I mean?
Hold on, we got the lightning tee on though, man. You feel me?
For now, me talking to myself in the black, playing both sides.
Ralph and his big CTM, man. You know the fucking vibe. Yeah, you already know what's going on with it. Yeah, shit start busting when it's like this. This for me and my nigga Tada's Brody, man. RP Card Cash, man. I'm Mosey Cash to the day I die, man. Always, man.
Boy, you a sucker, went back to the crib and you still ain't fucking shit.
Staying rolling.
That's all my mama. Like a meat truck, I let taking on that. Get them gone like the other man. If I was fucked up, I would've did it again. I want that beat like a meat truck, I let the seat up high, I was 2 up and in. My bitch, she look good with a C cup, I throw the C up everywhere, bitch, I'm the man. Scratch the nigga like a rubber band, Glock 22 with the tech in the other hand. We made him turn to a dead end, I cannot count all these dead man. We lost the bro, but we still the star, slip blocks for all of my dead friends. I'm a carjack and rob, still ain't killer, we do everything for the skriller. Pop, I was 2 up and in. My bitch, she look good with a C cup, I throw the C up everywhere, bitch, I'm the man. Scratch the nigga like 2 to 3, hit him like lightning. Punch out the Glock with his left hand. We made him turn to a dead end, I cannot count all these dead man. We lost the bro, but we still the star, slip blocks for all of my dead friends. I put in work in 2006 one middle. I got some goons and some goblins. I ain't gotta pay them, I tell them go get you, they get you. 23 scraps in my motherfucking bedroom. Yeah, I'm already playing about money every time. Little gas nigga finna be dead soon. Yeah.
Bro, you look like Sam Cassell.
Bro, you like the nigga that
you look like hella NBA
you
players.
You like the nigga that's Ingram. You like Ingram. You like Ingram.
Sam Cassell, the ugliest nigga in the NBA. God, he look like Sam Cassell with a little nappy
no,
fro.
For real though,
Shut up,
Flavor.
I ain't even joking on you. I'm talking about
you like Sam Cassell. Hey, you look like Sam Cassell. Hey, you like gunplay. Hey. You gotta go down or no?
Alright, come on, y'all. Hello, welcome.
Come on, Block. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Once again, welcome to MBNel Track Store. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Beats come through. Boom. I'ma get you sing it out. Make some noise for Blocboy JB.
Hold me down. I was like to see your smile. All the shit don't mean nothing. I came from hustling. I was flexing in the blue. I sit in the sky. I'm calling my best. People want to get higher. So the whole I'm right. I need more shit than my Tyson. That's how you for me today. I want to line up. Yeah, we paid. Yeah, we paid.
No, this is not my best fit. This is my best.
Wow.
With the Michigans? In the stone? These are not even my shoes.
see the Gucci, man.
You're not fucking beating me. I don't give a fuck what you're talking about. Lame man, dude.
Finna who they lame, man?
Yeah, dude.
No seatbelt in this bitch. You know how we do.
Lady him, boy.
172 on the dash. Stop playing the cameras on us at all times.
Literally over.
What's that? You got some too?
That's for you.
What is?
I forgot he don't eat meat, so it's both of you.
I thought you guys said.
Oh, say that.
Just stand there.
She only rock Perkins. 20 bands, I don't even think she working. The pussy wet, she be curving, and I be like, slide to the grill, let me beat it up. That's my little freak, let me eat it up. I put the Gucci and the Louis in her face. I ain't gon' brag, it's a light 100. 20 bands, I don't even think she working. The pussy
Hell no, she ain't working.
Flames in her face, and DM, she be curving, and I be like, slide.
Trap. What up, Marvin? Give me a hug. What's up, brother? How you doing, bro? Love you, boy.
Love you too. And koi. What the fuck? What'd you get?
Real friendly fire action right now.
Shout out, Papa.
I'm gonna have this guy record.
My bitch made 800 on a bad night.
Long time coming. Long versada. 1-on-1 to 7. No rebounds, no none of that. Possessions, right? So if you miss, other person ball to 7. Win by 2. Let's do just all ones, right?
Yeah. Get the legs, man. Get the legs.
All ones, and we're gonna get started. Trapographer behind the camera. What do you want to do? You want to shoot for ball?
Shoot for ball.
Me or you?
Was that your jumper? What are we going up to first of all?
7.
Okay.
I already said all the rules.
I'm sorry, bro. Oh. Oh. Finish that. Finish that.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Boy. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, boy? You ain't going nowhere.
You look like one.
I am not one of them. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Boy, you gonna be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. Go. 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 You gotta be quicker. Supposed to be run. Ooh. Hey, he's tired, boy! He's tired! Give me that shit! You're gonna cause a public disturbance.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh!
That was ugly as fuck, but whatever.
Oh.
You guys gonna jump again?
Oh.
6'4". That was one. I am not one of them.
Just one bucket, Marvin. That's all you need, bro.
You be switching up when you win.
Shut the fuck up.
That was crazy. No, he said, one more bucket, Marvin. That's all you need. Game.
Hey, GG to my little brother.
Hey, look. He's way better than I thought. No cash. Good game, bro. Boy, I'm tired of fuck.
Oh, shit. He almost knocked you. Oh!
Hit me in the day.
How did that look crazy? Did that look crazy? Did that look hella cool?
Don't put it in the vlog, bro.
Hey, if he finished that, that would have been the craziest clip.
What happened?
He tripped.
Oh, shit.
Already got that drip on, man. Stop playing.
Bro.
Drip on.
Come on, man. Comes with the card.
Bro, we can't see you. Turn on the light, bro. This guy's crazy, bro. He's a silhouette for him, bro. Even if I go up there, I still can't see it. He's a bus driver, bro. I'm not driving.
Man, you know why I'm bad, man. Come on.
What's the hat called? What should we call that thing, man?
Come on, man. The bag. I got the bag, man.
The bag.
The bag is on me at all times, man. Come on, stop
You got that
playing,
thing
man.
on him, man. Sheesh. Back, boy. Oh!
kingdom of God. The real.
So come and get it. Been treated like shit.
Hello? We go by MBNel. We're from Tacoma, Washington. This first song's called Free Drop Billy. It's our first time in LA as a band. Happy Halloween! Let's go!
Reunited, it feels so good.
Hey, real quick, how you feeling after that LA show?
I'm feeling good. Some of my favorite people in the world are here. So like, I got no complaints. It was a ton of fun. We're in LA. I love LA.
Okay, let me see if I can do this, okay? What?
This is alright.